Federal-Mogul Motor Parts is a global leader in manufacturing original equipment and aftermarket parts for light vehicle and commercial applications. With a focus on safety, quality, and continuous improvement, they discover, design, and deliver products professional technicians trust implicitly. Moog, Wagner, and Fel-Pro are just a few of the brands that embody their passion for innovation and commitment to quality.
One of Fel-Pro's greatest strengths is we have engineers on site here in Skokie, Illinois, actually putting the products on vehicles and getting them out on the streets. That allows us to produce some of the finest products in the industry.
When the industry thinks of Moog, what they think about is durability and trust. That comes from almost 100 years of history. It comes from 100 years of knowing steering and suspension.
We're one of the largest manufacturers of chassis componentry in the United States. We achieve that through innovation. We achieve that through our employees.
Not only do we design, but we actually manufacture.
We manufacture right here in North America, so I go down to the plants for every launch personally and help make sure that all of our quality parameters are met.
We look at ourselves as kind of like the voice of the customer. We identify what are the requirements of the customers to solve their everyday problems as it relates to brakes.
We work pretty hard at making sure that both the professional installer and the do-it-yourselfer can take our product and easily install it.
We're really leading the way with problem-solving solutions. So when we introduce new products, we look at what is the application today and design for the technician or to solve problems we see with the original equipment.
After we design our part, we want to test it. We want to make sure that it functions. And we have this equipment in here that will allow us to do testing on ball joints and tie rods and sway bars and all the suspension parts.
One of the key success factors for Fel-Pro and for Skokie is to continually improve our processes, our materials, and our gasket designs.
It's that continuous improvement, that idea that you can never test or learn enough about your product. That's the reason behind why we do so much additional testing.
And really the culture at Motor Parts is one of innovation. It's an environment that fosters, really at the end of the day, differentiation of our products.
We listen to the customer feedback, and that's exchanged between the different levels and groups of the plant to make sure that everyone understands what the customer wants and their performance that they're seeing.
It is not just about performance, it's safety. And that's why we take it as seriously as we do.
It makes a difference when you pull up to that light, and even though you take for granted being able to stop within a certain distance, it's our job to make sure that you do safely.
We treat every set of brakes that we make and put in a box like we're going to install them on our own vehicle.
Everybody is working towards the same goal, and that's to provide the highest quality product.
In our operations, you're going to see a tremendous amount of employee involvement. They drive the quality that makes our customers safe on the road.
The average length of service is 17 years. That length of service allows us to produce highest quality gaskets and deliver them to our customers on time.
We've been doing this here in Skokie for over 60 years, and we ship to our customer every day in excess of 4,000 cartons per day.
Wagner ensures that we get the consumer the right product each and every time based on our vast network of engineering resources that we have available.
Federal-Mogul Motor Parts not only listens to customer needs and challenges, they understand and solve them. Building from decades of experience designing and manufacturing OE and aftermarket parts, Federal-Mogul Motor Parts strives to continuously raise the bar in the motor parts industry while supplying superior parts that keep our vehicles and precious cargo safe. Because parts matter, safety matters, people matter.